Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix ring camera not detecting motion, fix ring doorbell not detecting motion sometimes. Okay. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So first see, check the motion setting. Open the ring app on your smartphone. Tap on the three lines in the upper left corner. Then select device from the menu and select the device you want to check. Okay, and tap on the device setting and then tap on motion setting. Make sure that the motion alert button is set to the blue on position to active this alert. Okay, and then adjust the motion sensitivity. Open the ring app on your smartphone. Tap on the three line in the upper left hand corner. Select devices from the menu. Select the device you want to check and then tap on the device setting and then tap on the motion setting and then tap on the motion zone. After that, tap on the edit button next to the motion zone you want to adjust. Adjust the sensitivity and the range of the motion zone by dragging the sliders and then tap save to save changes. So guys, our third step is check the connection. Open the ring app on your smartphone, then tap on the three lines in the upper left hand corner, then select the device from the menu and select the device you want to check. Tap on the device health, check this RSSI value to see if the Wi-Fi signal is strong enough. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak, try using Wi-Fi extender to improve the signal strength. Then adjust the camera angle. Remove the ring device from the wall. Re-mount the device on the wall that doesn't face the street. Make sure that the camera is at the ring right height and angle to capture people. Then you have to reset the camera. Ring doorbell camera. How to reset that? Locate the setup button on your ring device. Press and hold the setup button for 20 seconds to reset the device. After the reset, set up your device again and check if the motion detection has been restored. Okay. So this is the all step. Thanks guys. Having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.